Huh?
Meet the newest ballet dancer in our troupe. Give her your support.
Charlie, you want to come cuddle with me?
But I think he's finally ready and I want to get going.
On the day of the vet appointment, this dog suddenly
Oh, hello there. It's bath time. Bye, Apollo.
Don't let this muddy appearance fool you.
You sure the dog didn't get out with you? Say, babe, come on. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Annika. Say, dog right here. I see it. It's right there.
I am a sucker for a healer. This cute little boy came in today and his dad said to muzzle him, so he did, but he was so good.
With dogs this adorable, checkups are no longer a... You realize the car ride wasn't to the park, but to the vet.
Nope. What are you doing?
Maybe this is why they became vets. To sneak in playtime with cats between the check...
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it!
Look at your nice face, you know.
A hug can heal faster than any...
Hello? Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot? She's gonna get 10 shots. Okay, I'll take...
This make me want to cry. Prince. Relax. Don't be mad at me, Prince. You gotta get your booty checked. Oh my God, y'all. He is so scared.
You were stinky.
Like a toddler throwing a tantrum, the dog shook his head with all his might to say no.
But you were!
If stubbornness were a sport, he would definitely win the gold medal. A little kindness, especially at the vet's office.
No, wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy!
How about your dog? Share your story in the comments.
Come here. Oh. Just here. Thank you. Oh, thank you.没事。
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Okay. All right. It's been a year, over a year.
He looked so panicked when he realized that was going to be his fate.
Estoy bien, viejo.
Just one. Actually, no. I think it might be 2.
Oh my God.
And a fecal.
in your way.
You're making my job very hard. Did you know that? Hi.
She wants to listen, but she doesn't want to get in the tub.
Hi.
Big bite, oh, it's so terrifying.
Look how scary it is.
It's so scary.
Scary that.
Oh, I know.
Shower?
Bruh.
How do you know your dog hates baths? Definitely from unfriendly smiles like this one.
I love you. Go take a bath. Come on.
And somebody realizes it too.
Maybe if I act cute, maybe skipped.
Tá bom? Não, eu quero colar.
They both have a point, and I honestly don't.
Dang, he really hates baths.
Let's go take a shower. Ready? Let's go take a bath. Let's go. Let's go take a shower. Really? I love you. Go take a bath. Come on.
What is that? What is that?
That look says it all. I did not sign the consent form.
Sorry, but I didn't sign up for the dryer today.
Yes, good morning, good morning. I'm doing good. Santa Clara, California.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, ma'am.
You drove out there?
Flew.
Are you kidding?
You see a cute cat?
Maybe he was an art critic in his past.
You had to have a bath. You were stinky.
Bruh.
But you were! You had to have a bath.
Hi.
Nope. No matter how hard you resist, it's useless anyway.
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
He's big, but bravery doesn't exactly match the muscles.
We're going. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
With a clingy dog like that, sticking to her work schedule must be impossible.
This dog discovered his talent for dancing on two legs after finishing his bath.
This is the face of a patient who doesn't care about the diagnosis.
Y el spray que le hicimos hoy le toca en...
¿Qué le pasa a don Pancho?
If stubbornness were a sport, he would definitely win the gold medal.
Big guy is terrified of baths, so he needs his carrot plushie for emotional support.
Come on.
The cold outside, nothing compared to the chill of seeing the vet.
Come on. Come on, Bubba. Get out of there.
Winston, get in the bath.
His trust in his parents is definitely going downhill.
Bruh.
He was ready to bolt the second the bath He has found inner peace.
Sì. La prima situazione vera.
Huh?
The answer is definitely no.
That look says it all. The panic is slowly taking over. That's the if I don't see it, it's not happening strategy.
Estoy bien, viejo.
I'm so sorry.
Stop it, Dad. I'm perfectly happy with my own scent. Daisy, you know what day?
Not the nails. When you realize all that resistance in the car earlier was completely in vain.
Come out a little bit.
Look at your nice face, you know.
What's wrong? Banjo, are you sad? Banjo, you don't want to wag your tail. Oh, Banjo, Banjo.
Who knew medicine could make dining so theatrical? Mother.
That was really rude. Charlie, come cuddle with me.
Nope. No one understands me.
You're already good, huh?
And I think you're perfect.
That final cling as if to ask, would you reconsider?
Just one. Actually, no. I think it might be two.
Oh my God.
And a fecal.
Nope.
Estoy bien, viejo.
He hates me.
And I wanted to adopt a corgi. Yeah, I might.
Water is the enemy, and bath items are no exception.
If I don't make eye contact, I'm basically invisible. That's exactly what they think.
Nope.
No matter how much the little princess protests, the royal journey still ends at the vet.
Feel the pup.
Huh?
Zelda! What are you doing?
Every time he's in the bathroom, every command gets obeyed in reverse.
Yeah. You're gonna let us all hear it.
He is evaluating this doctor. He's probably hoping his little dance will bribe the vets into letting him go. With a clingy dog like that, sticking to her work schedule must be impossible.
What is that?